Hello and welcome back to our channel, FarmWise Hub, your go-to source for all things poultry farming. Today I'll show you how to make high-quality organic chicken feed for both broilers and layers. And I'll be giving you the exact measurements to produce 50 kilograms of feed for each stage of development: starter, grower, finisher, and layer mash. By the end of this video, you'll know what goes into each feed and the right proportions for your chickens to thrive. Raising healthy chickens starts with proper nutrition. Commercial feeds often contain GMOs, antibiotics, and pesticides. These can harm your chicken's health in the long run. Creating your own organic chicken feed allows you to control the ingredients. You provide your flock with the best possible nutrition. Homemade feed can be more economical. You can source ingredients locally and in bulk. This reduces costs and supports local farmers. This essay will guide you through making your own organic chicken feed. We'll provide recipes for different stages of a chicken's life. So why organic feed? Organic feed ensures your chickens get balanced, nutritious diets without synthetic additives. This means healthier chickens and better quality meat or eggs. Organic feed also improves immunity and well-being while being cost-effective, especially if you're sourcing ingredients locally or growing them yourself. Before diving into the recipes, let's understand the essential components of a balanced chicken feed. A well-rounded diet is crucial for the health and productivity of your flock. Each ingredient plays a unique role in ensuring your chickens thrive. Protein is essential for growth, egg production, and overall health. Good sources include peas, soybeans, fish meal, and worms. Protein helps in muscle development and feather growth, which are vital for both meat and egg-laying chickens. Without adequate protein, chickens can become weak and their egg production can decline. Energy provides the fuel for daily activities. Corn, wheat, oats, and barley are excellent energy sources. These grains are rich in carbohydrates, which are converted into energy that chickens need for foraging, laying eggs, and staying active. Ensuring a steady supply of energy-rich grains helps maintain their vitality and productivity. Fiber aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. Include ingredients like alfalfa meal, oat hulls, and wheat bran. Fiber is crucial for preventing digestive issues and promoting a healthy gut microbiome. A balanced amount of fiber ensures that chickens can efficiently process their food and absorb nutrients. Vitamins and minerals are crucial for various bodily functions, including bone health, immunity, and egg production. Oyster shells, limestone, and kelp are excellent natural sources. These supplements provide essential nutrients like calcium, which is vital for strong eggshells, and other minerals that support overall health and disease resistance. By carefully selecting and combining these ingredients, you can create a feed that meets your chicken's specific nutritional needs at each stage of their development. Tailoring the feed to the age and purpose of your chickens ensures they receive the right balance of nutrients, promoting optimal growth, health, and productivity. Whether you are raising broilers or layers, a well-formulated feed is the key to a thriving flock. Each stage of a chicken's life requires a different nutritional balance. Just like humans, chickens have varying dietary needs as they grow from chicks to mature hens or broilers. Providing the right feed at each stage ensures they develop properly, stay healthy, and reach their full potential. Here are 4 basic recipes for a 50-kilogram batch tailored to meet the nutritional needs of chickens at different stages of their life cycle. These recipes are designed to be easy to follow and use commonly available ingredients. Starter feed for 0 to 8 weeks. This is the most critical stage for growth and development. Chicks need a high-protein diet to support rapid growth and build a strong foundation for their future health. 30 kilograms of corn, coarsely cracked. Corn provides the necessary carbohydrates for energy. 10 kilograms of soybean meal, 5 kilograms of wheat, 3 kilograms of fish meal. These ingredients are rich in protein and essential amino acids, crucial for muscle development and overall growth. 1 kilogram of oyster shell. This provides calcium, which is vital for bone development. 1 kilogram of a vitamin and mineral premix specifically formulated for chicks. This ensures they get all the necessary vitamins and minerals for a healthy start. Grower feed for 8 to 16 weeks. As chickens transition from chicks to adolescence, their nutritional needs change. They require a balanced diet to support steady growth without becoming overweight. 35 kilograms of corn, coarsely cracked. This provides a good source of energy. 8 kilograms of soybean meal, 5 kilograms of wheat, 1 kilogram of fish meal, These ingredients continue to provide essential proteins and nutrients. Half a kilogram of oyster shell. This maintains bone health as they grow. Half a kilogram of a vitamin and mineral premix. This ensures they receive a balanced intake of vitamins and minerals. Finisher feed for 16 weeks to market. At this stage, the focus is on preparing the chickens for market. The diet should promote muscle growth and overall health. 40 kilograms of corn coarsely cracked. This provides the energy needed for growth. 5 kilograms of soybean meal. 3 kilograms of wheat. 1 kilogram of oats. These ingredients help in building muscle mass and maintaining health. Half a kilogram of oyster shell. This supports bone strength. Half a kilogram of vitamin and mineral premix. This ensures they get all the necessary nutrients. Layer mash for laying hens. Laying hens have unique nutritional needs to support egg production. Their diet must be rich in calcium and other nutrients to ensure they lay strong, healthy eggs. 30 kilograms of corn coarsely cracked. This provides the energy they need. 5 kilograms of soybean meal, 5 kilograms of wheat, 5 kilograms of oats. These ingredients provide a balanced mix of proteins and carbohydrates. 3 kilograms of alfalfa meal. This adds additional nutrients and fiber. 1 kilogram of oyster shell. This is crucial for strong eggshells. 1 kilogram of a calcium supplement such as crushed eggshells or limestone. This ensures they have enough calcium for consistent egg production. Beyond the core ingredients, you can further enhance your homemade chicken feed with natural supplements that offer additional health benefits. Garlic is a natural antibiotic and immune booster. Add 2 to 3 cloves of crushed garlic per kilogram of feed. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder per kilogram of feed. Apple cider vinegar aids digestion and promotes gut health. Add 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar per gallon of drinking water. Probiotics introduce beneficial bacteria to the gut, improving digestion and nutrient absorption. Add a probiotic supplement specifically designed for poultry. Remember to introduce new supplements gradually and observe your chickens for any adverse reactions. Keeping your feed fresh and nutritious. In this section, we will delve into the essential practices that ensure your homemade chicken feed remains fresh, nutritious, and safe for your flock. Proper mixing and storage are crucial for maintaining the quality and freshness of your homemade chicken feed. The right techniques can make a significant difference in the health and productivity of your chickens. Mixing: use a large container or a cement mixer to ensure all ingredients are thoroughly combined. This step is vital because it guarantees that every bite your chickens take is balanced and nutritious. This prevents chickens from selectively feeding on certain components. When chickens pick and choose, they might miss out on essential nutrients, leading to imbalances in their diet. Storage: store the feed in airtight containers in a cool, dry place. This practice helps in preserving the feed's quality and prevents contamination. Moisture can lead to mold growth, which can be harmful to chickens. Moldy feed can cause health issues such as respiratory problems and digestive disturbances. Freshness: only mix enough feed to last for 2 to 3 weeks. This approach ensures that the feed remains fresh and the nutrients stay potent. This ensures the nutrients remain potent and the feed stays fresh. Fresh feed is more appealing to chickens, encouraging them to eat more and stay healthy. By following these simple guidelines, you can ensure that your chickens receive the full nutritional benefits of your homemade feed. Healthy chickens are more productive, laying more eggs and growing stronger. The organic advantage: why choose homemade feed? Choosing to make your own organic chicken feed offers several advantages over commercial options. Control over ingredients: you can avoid GMOs, antibiotics, pesticides, and other potentially harmful additives. Improved health and immunity: organic feed supports a robust immune system and reduces the risk of health problems. Enhanced flavor and quality: chickens fed an organic diet often produce tastier eggs and meat. Environmental benefits: organic farming practices promote soil health, biodiversity, and reduce chemical runoff. While making your own feed requires more effort, the benefits to your chickens' health, the environment, and the quality of their products make it a worthwhile endeavor. Troubleshooting and adjustments: fine-tuning your recipe. Every flock is different. You may need to adjust the feed recipe based on your chicken's needs and your available resources. Monitor your chicken's weight and egg production. If you notice any changes, adjust the protein or energy content of the feed accordingly. Consider your local climate and environment. Chickens in colder climates may need a higher energy diet. Source ingredients locally. Talk to local farmers about their growing practices and the availability of organic ingredients. Remember, making your own chicken feed is a learning process. Don't be afraid to experiment and adjust your recipes over time. Embracing a holistic approach to poultry care. Providing your chickens with homemade organic feed is a rewarding experience. You contribute to their well-being knowing they are receiving the best possible nutrition. By understanding the basic principles of chicken nutrition, sourcing quality ingredients, and following these simple recipes, you can embark on a journey of providing your flock with the nourishment they need to thrive. Your chickens will reward you with good health, vibrant egg yolks, and delicious meat. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on organic poultry farming. Leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. See you in the next video.